Hey, have you ever heard of Gertrude Ederle?
Of course! She was the first woman to swim across the English Channel. She swam through cold, rough waters for over 14 hours.
Whoa.
I don't even like... What? Just let me finish! Because I was going to say, I don't even like taking cold showers for 14 seconds. But you go. Come on.
Whoa, but how does she even get into swimming?
Easy. She gets in the water. Duh.
Gertrude Ederle was born in 1905 in New York City. When she was little, her dad taught her to swim in a lake, and that's how she learned how to swim. She fell in love with swimming.
And she wasn't just any swimmer. She was super fast. She won a gold and 2 bronze medals at the 1924 Olympics.
Interesting. But how did she end up swimming the English Channel?
Well, at that time, no woman had ever done it. Some people even said it was too hard for a girl. But Gertrude Ederle wasn't listening to that nonsense.
Nope. In 1925, she tried, but had to stop because of the rough waves. Instead of quitting, she trained even harder and tried again in 1926.
And did she make it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's find out.
Yes. On August 6th in the year 1926, Gertrude Ederle swam all the way from France to England in 14 hours and 31 minutes. And guess what? She beat the men's record by nearly 2 hours. Take that, doubters.
That's amazing! So how did people react?
Well, when she got back to New York, there was a huge parade with thousands of people cheering for her. She became a hero.
They even called her Queen of the Waves. Pretty cool nickname, right?
Yeah. So what did she do after all that?
Well, later in life, Gertrude Ederle taught deaf children how to swim. She had lost some of her hearing as a child, so she wanted to help others.
She didn't just break records, she inspired people.
Gertrude Ederle proved that hard work and determination can absolutely make history.
Exactly. So the next time you go swimming, remember the girl who swam across the ocean and never gave up. And maybe, don't complain if the water's a little too chilly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps out our channel.
It sure does.
Make sure you subscribe.
Bye.